Morning students, today we are here with our worksheet number 12 for the science, that is atom and the molecule. Gyan, when we go on dividing matter physically, then a stage will come when particle obtained can't be divided further. These particles form matter. Can you tell what do we call them scientifically? Here Jigyasa Didi asks a question from Gyan. Gyan reply, Didi, scientifically these particles are called molecule. Molecules are the basic unit of matter. These molecules can be further divided to form indivisible particles called atom, and atoms are the building blocks of matter. Okay? Jigyasa Didi, these particles are called molecule, and the molecules are the basic unit of matter, and molecules can be further divided to form atom. Okay. Jigyasa Didi asks, Gyan, how big are the atoms? Can we see them? No Didi, atoms are so small. They are smaller than anything we can imagine. Like a thin sheet of paper. A thin sheet of paper consists millions of atoms, and the size of atoms are measured in nanometer. Which unit, students? Nanometer. And 1 nanometer equals to 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. It means 1 billionth part of a meter. Most of the atoms are very reactive in nature. They react with each other to form molecule. It means, students, if we define the molecule, we have to write that atoms combine to form molecule. For example, oxygen atoms combine to form molecule O2. Hydrogen atom combine to form molecule H2. Nitrogen atom combine to form molecule N2. And on your right hand side, you can see a table of relative size. Atom of hydrogen is 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. Water molecule is 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. A sand particle is 10 raised to power minus 4 meter. Ant is 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. And watermelon is 10 raised to power minus 1 meter. Okay, I think from this worksheet you have cleared your doubts about atom and molecule, about their size and about their unit, and also about their example. In brief, I can give the definition of atom and molecule to you. Student, atom, it is the smallest particle that can't be divided, and molecule, it formed by the combination of atom. Okay. Example is, atom means O oxygen, H hydrogen and nitrogen, and example of molecule O2, N2, H2. Now move on to the exercise. What are atom and molecule? Explain with example. Here is the answer, students. Atom, the smallest particle which can't be further divided, and the molecule, these are when atoms are chemically combined to form molecule. Okay. Atom means the smallest particle which can't be divided, and when these atoms combine, they form molecule. Here some example for atom, that is OH, and for molecule O2, N2, H2 and water. Move on to our second question. Here we have some filling the blank, student. The size of the atoms are measured in, very good, nanometer. Second, 1 nanometer equals to 10 raised to power 9 meter. Water molecule in meter and nanometer. So student, here are the answers of the fill-ups. First is nanometer. Second, 1 nanometer equals to 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. And the third one, in meters 10 raised to power minus 9, and in nanometer 1 nanometer. Fourth one is 0.1 nanometer and 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. Move on to our last question, students. Name any 3 atoms. Here are the examples of 3 atoms: O2, N2, H2 and water. Okay. I think this worksheet is clear up to you about atoms and the molecules. If you like the worksheet, then like our channel Learning Light. Share among your friend circle and subscribe my channel to get the recent updates of worksheet. Thank you.